the right, we're going to say, all right, 49 sine squared of theta equals 4. All right. Our goal, again, is to say, all right, we're looking for nearest minutes. Okay. Can I solve this? Now, this one only has one term, one sine. Okay. Sine squared. Okay. Our goal is to put it all on one side then. Okay. If I only have one thing, it's like a linear, just get it by itself. Okay. So I'm going to just divide by 49 to start. All right. Sine squared theta equals 4 over 49. Now, a lot of people love to do this, okay? They're going to say, oh, now I can reduce this to 2 over... Now, I really can't reduce it, okay? Well, I'm going to write it as a decimal. Okay? Don't do that to the end, right? Because you're going to say, I got to get rid of the square. How do I get rid of a square? Well, I got to square root of both sides. Let's take the square root of both sides. I get sine theta equals the square root of 4 over the square root of 49. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 49 is 7. All right, and that's where people make the biggest mistake. You took a square root, you owe me something. You owe me a plus and a minus. So there's a possibility. When we have a singleton answer like this with a plus or minus, the greatest thing about it is we need sine to be positive and negative. Well, sine is positive in quadrants numbers 1 and 2, and sine is negative in quadrants 3 and 4. If you have a plus or minus, you're going to cover all your quadrants. And what's nice is the reference angle is the same for it all. Okay, so we do need a reference angle, and since it says to the nearest minute, we're going to have to do a little extra work. So I'm going to have to do the arc sine of 2/7. Okay, and I get this as our wonderful angle, 16.6015. We need to change this to degrees, minutes, seconds. Okay, so math, nope, not math, sorry, second angle is DMS number 4, so I can scroll down there to 4, press enter, and that's going to give me one of my answers there. And I'll just pull that over here so I can use that. And my reference angle is 16 degrees. Okay. And how many minutes? Well, I look over here. This is between 0 and 29. It's the same. 30 and up goes up, right? Because remember, degrees, minutes, and seconds are in terms of 60s, right? So I get 16 degrees, 36 minutes, all right? This is also a quadrant 1 angle. Yay, got one answer. Quadrant 1, 16 degrees, 36 minutes. Now, step 2 is now I just got to find the rest of them. Alrighty. If I'm in quadrant 2 angles are 180 minus our reference angle. Oh, minus 16 degrees and 36 minutes. Alright, now, little base system adding here. We're gonna have to borrow to do all this, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna make this on a 60, okay? Because if I borrow, or regroup as it's supposed to be called, I need one group of 60 minutes, okay? And if I do that subtraction, okay, there's my 5, get rid of, borrow the 1, okay? 4, 2, 3, and a 6. Okay, so I have 163 degrees and 24 minutes there. Okay, that's my second answer. Okay. Now, for the third quadrant, it's 180 plus 16 degrees, 36 minutes. We can use the same reference angle because of the plus and the minus here. All right, add them together, and you get 196 degrees and 36 minutes. Right? So there's Q1, Q2, Q3, and of course now we got to do Q4, which is 360 minus our reference angle, minus 16 degrees and 36 minutes. If I look over to the one over here, it's very similar. Okay, I'll borrow the 60 again. Okay, there's the 5 and the 9 I need, because it was 10. Alright, get you that 24, but also I have on it, I have to subtract, so that's my 3, and then after that, 4, yeah, 343 degrees and 24 minutes, okay? So our solution set may look pretty ginormous here, but just write it all out, be calm. Remember, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Have them all. So just write it out. 16 degrees, 36 minutes. 16 or 163 degrees, 24 minutes. Make sure you're just labeling it right. 196 degrees and 36 minutes. And our fourth solution, which is 343 degrees, 24 minutes. Okay. Notice how they share those same ends. That's not, you know, that should happen. They're representing the same reference angle. Okay. And this is our solution set. Okay. Just be careful. This one's a lot harder to check. You're going to need your calculator to do it. Okay. Just be aware of that, and you'll be all set.